All right, guys. So I guess we are live. Someone please drop a message so that I can confirm we are live or not. Let me confirm from my phone once. Yeah, we are live. All right. I guess we are live. All right. So let's get into the video at first. So hi everyone, welcome to the session once again. So today, the content that we have right now is, as always, job openings and Q&A. So I'm going to answer your questions, whatever you'll be having, and going to share you a couple of job openings that we have right now. Okay. So here we go with the first slide. Yeah, job opening. This is a date where I'm posting. This is live. So I usually go live on daily basis and I post jobs on daily basis. So if anyone required any job, any something cybersecurity, so I can help you out for that. Anyways, so this is a basic disclaimer which might be a little bit funky as I got messages from few of my audience. So if you are looking for a job, here we go. I can help you, but make sure while applying for any job role, so check the authentication, is it correct or not, or it's on your disk. So we are verifying at first, but also we recommend you to check in the starting phase as well. Yeah, so what we are going to do right now at 6 p.m. we are live as always. We are going to say the job openings. If you'll be having any funky question, so I can answer you right away in the live itself. And after a few times we are planning to invite the audience as well in the live so that we can have some better conversation as well. So today we have job for the freshers and for the experienced people as well. Yeah, so let's get to the. Actually, today I have not prepared any slide or something, so I will go through the whiteboard that we have right now. So let's get with the bad sketch idea that I have. So today is 20 December 2024. Okay, so let me say the first job opening that we have right now. Today is, so there is a company which is called Cyber Code Private Limited. So actually, they are looking for a position which is a VAPT trainer. Let me check the website if they have any. So this is company name Cipher Code. Yeah, here we go. This is a website, I guess. So they are looking for a VAPT trainer and minimum 1 year of experience they are looking for, and they want a person should work from on site as well. Sometimes you have to work from the remote as well. This logo seems to a little bit related to uh, comment down. I want to check whom you are following the most. So TCM security for sure. This is a bit similar, but there might be few difference that we are not noticing. 1 year of minimum experience is required. On site and remote job is available actually. So they will tell you what exactly when you have to work remote and when you have to work from on site. So hands-on experience on Nessus, Bobsuit, Metasploit, Nmap, and OAS JAP is required. And you should have actually deep understanding of VAPT methodology, standards, and framework. For example, OAS and PCI DSS. So any one of you knows what is PCI DSS, just comment it down. And if you want a detailed video, I can come up with that as well. You should have a good ability to deliver and create content for the sessions. Actually, creating PPT and all those things might be involved as well, as far I know, because we are also providing some sort of training in the cybersecurity domain. You should have strong communication for sure. It's a domain which is where we need to focus on communication and mentoring skills as well. Exactly, these are the skills what they are looking for. And let's summarize. Nessus, Bobsuit, Metasploit, Nmap, and OAS have knowledge is required actually. PCI DSS and OAS standard methodology, all these things will be uh, where you have to be familiarized, because these things might be required. And just try to be a good, if you are a good pen tester, then only apply for this job. So what we'll do, you will train cybersecurity persons or professionals in for the VAPD techniques, which is vulnerability assessment and pen testing. Sometimes you have to deliver and design the labs, and you have to drop all those things as well, and stay update. For sure, you have to be stay updated with the domain of cybersecurity so that you can deliver some good session as well. So for applying for this job role, you have to apply on. You have to drop a mail or your CV to rupesh @cyphercode.com. So here, on this mail, you can say your resume, or there's a contact number which is also given is 888 44 333 79. So here you can apply for the job role, and job role is VAPD trainer. So this is the first opening that we have, which require 1 year of experience in the initial phase. And now the next opening that we have is, let's check it out at first. So next job opening is from a person. His name is Prathamesh. Let me show you somewhere. Yeah, so he's the person. So he's looking for, actually he's working in some company, might be some on a good position. So they are looking for a VAPT person again, and those who can manage the vulnerability as well. So experience, 1 to 2 years of experience will be required. Location will be Mumbai, and budget is they can pay you up to 5 LPA, 5 lakh per annum. So for this, you can message this person, which is Prathamesh as Gaveli. He posted this thing on 2 days before. You can see on the profile as well. Yeah, here you can see, right? So this is where you can apply for this job role, VAPT and vulnerability management. Third job role that we have is from Mehul Bagodia. So he's assistant manager at Accidents. So they are looking for VAPT specialist. Once again, if you have experience of 3 to 5 years, then you can apply for this job role. And Gurgaon is the location where they are looking for, and you should have good knowledge about how to secure system, application, network, and about the latest trends of cyber threat. What are the emerging threats that we have right now? So if you're interested, then just drop a message to this person, and if you are good fit for him, then he is most probably going to hire you for the same job role. Now the opening that we have next is from a company who is looking for a position from a very long time. Okay, the position is VAPT consultant. They are looking for a VAPT consultant. Company name is CyberCube. Okay, so they are looking for VAPT consultant. For VAPT consultant, you should have minimum 1 years of experience with you, right? This is pretty good. I can select this one. Anyways, so minimum 1 years of experience is required. If you had done any internship, then you can consider your internship experience as well. So let's say if you have done internship of 4 months, and later on 6 months, and later on 2 months. So you can also combine all those things, and 1 years of experience will be calculated, and you can contact for VAPT consultant. Second job role is process consultant. This is second job role for what they are looking for. Just one minute. हेलो 5 मिनट में कॉल करता हूँ ना मीटिंग okay so this is the another opening what they're looking for process consultant and for that minimum 3 years of experience is required. Okay, so if you have minimum 3 years of experience with you, then you might apply for this job role. Again, I guess in most companies, if you are doing internship from a very good company, then your internship experience is most probably counted over there. And third role is business development executive, BDE, that I was looking for as well development manager. So they are looking for business development executive as well business development manager position. So minimum 3 years of experience is required for this job role as well. And last one is marketing executive. Okay, so marketing executive is the last role that they are looking for. So let's summarize this entire creepy drawing that I've created right now. First is VAPT consultant, minimum 1 year of experience is required. If you have done internship, then this will be considered as well. Second thing is process consultant, where 3 years of minimum required experience is required. Third is vision development executive and manager, where minimum 3 years of experience is required. And fourth is marketing executive, where internship is most probably required, where from where they can consult you, right? So the job location is Gurugram, which is in Haryana. This is kind of IT city of IT area, which is nearby Delhi actually. 5 day a week you have to work, not 7 day. And for this entire process, you have to drop a mail to careers@cybercube.co.in. Okay, so this is what you can apply for. Okay, from where you can drop your resume actually with the headline of for what you're applying for this job role. So guys, please don't spam in their mail ID or something. If actually it's very active, because we are also getting a lot of uh, what we say emails regarding a job that we have in our company. So it's hectic for us as well if we get spams and all those things. Anyways, you can apply for this job role that we have right now. And actually, we have started a series as well on YouTube, which is on secure coding in Python. So that is going to help you out. So check out that series as well. Now, yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. Thanks for all this thing. And now your Q&A. If you have any question, you can ask right now. So this is the Q&A time, guys. If you have anything, please go ahead. Sorry, I just got a call from my friend last minute. बचपन की friend यार बड़े हरामी. So whenever I do some stuff like so, they are good actually. He might be watching this live session, so he's good. I don't want to get my comment box spammed with the abusive words from those, so they are good. So please go ahead if you have any question, and accordingly we can bind up this session, right? I'm looking into the chat box. If you have anything, please drop, and accordingly we can bind up the things. Okay, so here's my friend. Thank you very much for. So your profile. You want to see my profile? Someone is there. Sorry, I was not able to check out yours because it's me, yaar. The I'm not having good followers actually with me. It's me, M Kumar. You can connect with me via linkedin.com, M Kumar Cyber, and thank you Sojwal for your comment. This is my profile from where we can connect. Not much you are going to get from here, but I usually try to what you say, post something which might be good fit for you. Sir, I have 6 months of internship experience as a cybersecurity engineer. I work as a VAPT project. Now I'm looking for VAPT role. You can apply. There was couple of jobs that were posted today. So I'll tell you for you. In CyberCube, you can apply actually. They are looking for a lot of positions, though those who have good knowledge actually. So career@cybercube.co.in. And guys, if you have already completed your TCI batch or any cybersecurity internship batch from VIH, then I can refer you for in couple of companies. Actually, they have called me for some cybersecurity intern. Let me know. You can message me on LinkedIn as well, so I can help you out if you have good knowledge with you in cybersecurity. The problem is there is job, but we are running out of manpower. So good manpower actually. So drop a message to me. I can help you out. So company where you can apply if you have 6 or 1 years of experience in CyberCube, careers@cybercube.co.in. They can most probably hire you if you have good knowledge. And yeah, and that was the first thing. There was something I posted as a trainer as well, where minimum 1 years of experience is required. So there also you can apply. They are looking for people, those who have might be freshers knowledge. And there was another comment, guys. So what was that? Sir, what are the options that we get experience without having a job? Sir, what are the options that we can get experience without having a job? Yeah, you can do internship. Actually, internship is the main thing which is going to play a very major role. Okay, so while getting any job, I prefer you to don't directly get on the company page or somewhere for finding a job. No one is going to give you jobs without even experience. Some company might hire you. Like I can help you out for that purpose as well. But just try to do internship. Yeah, but if you think there is no internship, there is internship. Company is looking for intern. But the main thing is we are putting up our less effort. Just try to be active on Twitter. Just try to be active on LinkedIn. And recruiters are actively looking for the people those who are interested in positions. Okay. So for example, if you're running a company, if someone is coming at your company looking for a job, then why someone is going to hire you if you don't have any experience, right? So just try to have little bit experience, 3 years, 4 year, 5 year, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. So from where you can start, and actually it require investment here. If you think you completed your college, if you're looking for a job, then this is not true. Actually, you have to work somewhere so that to get hired. Okay, so this is what is important right now. Yeah, please fire up your query if you have anything else. And thank you. We have good people's right there in the comment box. Anything else? Any question? If anything's left, I can help you out there, guys. And we are inviting few peoples for the podcast. Okay, so someone from a very big or top four companies from all over the world actually. So they will tell you how exactly how hard is it to get in cybersecurity domain for getting a job role actually. So it's not hard. It's depend on how much effort you're putting, right? So that is the thing. If you want to learn anything, if you want any guidance, something, just drop a message on my LinkedIn. I can help you out, and you can mail me as well. This is my mail ID actually. I write it down here for you. CEO at rate CEO@vihgroup.com, or you can drop a message to HR as well. To get good response, you can put me in CC as well, because sometimes actually our HR is a bit silly. Okay, so sometimes we see the mail all the time he sees, but usually if there is no much things is added into the mail ID, he's going to ignore, right? So you can drop a mail to ceo@vhgroup.com. So I can for sure help you out. And I started mentorship session as well. If you want any help, any guidance, again just drop a mail. It's free totally, but there should be some point why you want a mentorship. So I guess there is no such query right now. Yeah. Any other query, anything if you have, please go ahead so that I can bind up this session. Calvini, sir, the day before yesterday, you conducted an interview for the WPT role and you said, shared my resume to the recruiter. They will take basic interview, said, but still I am not getting any call. Okay, okay. So I can do one thing. I can knock him once for the update. Okay, and we'll let you know what are the response I'm getting from him. And accordingly, I'll update you on WhatsApp. Few people got the call. There was approx 10 to 12 openings, and you were one of the one whom I recommended actually. So let's see what was the problem, and accordingly I can update you in your internship batch. Alvin. Yeah, any other query, guys? And what kind of job you're looking for? How many of you are experienced, or how many of you are fresher? What exactly you're looking for? Thank you, thanks a lot. Yeah, today I also had a call with a person who is working in this industry from almost a decade. So I just had a call for a podcast that we're planning in the next week. So the opening, the position that company is looking for is security analyst for applications which might be web app, API, cloud, security, all those things. So security analyst is a position where you can research about, right? So this is where if your company is having a SIM, if your company is having an entire SOC team, so security analyst will position will be required. Even all the companies, cybersecurity company want a position which is security analyst, and industry is actually running out of it because there's a lot of people, but knowledge is very less. Okay, so we don't know why they are not practicing. So this is what you can take care of as well. I guess we should bind up this session if you don't have any question. Guys, actually I have two laptop. One is I having from last 7 to 8 years, so just searching something there as well. Please fire up your query if you have anything. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, Sujit Rihal. Interested in red teaming. Can you please give some insight on it? What is the requirement knowledge for it? Yeah, thank you for your question, Sujit Singh Rihal. And actually, a bit, I was a red teamer. Okay, same question, sir. So actually, I was a red teamer trainer, and not a red teamer. I was the OSCP, unofficial OSCP trainer for the Pakistanis 2019. So actually, red team is all about how we can hunt a company from outside. Okay, there are two, three type of testing: black box testing, white box testing. Where in white box you might get some VPN for the internal access. You might get access of couple of things from where you can connect to the company network, right? But in red teaming, actually, you're not going to get any access. Okay, you have to just attack the company from the outside. So here the thing is, first thing which is required for red team is a very good networking knowledge. Okay, let me just point out the things right here. Okay, for red teaming, yeah, first thing is which is very important is networking concept. Okay, so just try to have as much a strong networking concept as you can. So for that, you can go ahead with the CCNA. If you don't have budget, then you can proceed. You can check out the CCNA. What you say, CCNA content. Okay, CCNA index that we can find easily find on Google. If you want any book, some thing from my side, I can help you out on WhatsApp. Okay. So networking is very important because whatever things we are going to do will be on networking. So just try to understand OSI model as deep as you can, TCI model as deep as you can. OSI model is not about you start from presentation and then go deeper and deeper till seven. It's all about how each and every layer is working. There are seven layers, right? You have studied in the college. There are seven layers, so you have to do a very deep research on each and every layer. What are the attacks that we can perform on each and every layer, right? Then, if you are a BTech guy, then in third year there was a subject which was OS. Usually, we are not focusing on our colleges, but just try to understand OS as deeper as you can, most probably the Linux, because I guess 60% of the cloud is hosted on Linux. Okay, so just try to have a very good knowledge of Linux. Okay, and knowledge is not about what is ls, what is cd, what is mkdir. It's about your knowledge should be till the kernel level. Okay, kernel is something which is the powerhouse of a if powerhouse of a operating system, the innermost thing. Okay, so just try to dig out till the kernel. Okay, just try to understand how your operating system is interacting with the network, how a website, how a application intersecting with a server or website, right? How they are getting the updates and all those things. It's all comes under a networking concept. Okay, so CCNP, cybersecurity network professional, or CCNE can be considered for this OSI red teaming. Okay, first thing is networking, second thing the OS, and third thing is like there was a lot of concept like buffer overflow that we have learned in our college time. So buffer overflow is also very important topic. And just go ahead at first, just go ahead with the CH modules. CH modules is not about you have to enroll in CH courses. There is a specific thing that they have crafted, and I guess there is version 13 right now. Okay, so let me help you out how you can do all this thing. E13 syllabus, right? So you can start from here. I'm not going to tell you ki just enroll in this course with so the recommendation is just go ahead with the modules. Just go ahead with the contents that they are providing, the index. Okay, just let's say if they are saying for the cloud pen testing, right? So you can Google out. There's a lot of article. There's a lot of blog where you can check out. Okay, and there is a article that I've written in 2019, I guess, which was preparation for OSCP by M Kumar. Okay, so how do we ठीक है यार on Medium I already read an article for the same actually. So OSCP modules you can consider for this job role actually, which is going to help you a lot, right? So let me dig out for you. Very simple. Just start from basic understanding networking, understanding the operating system, how exactly it works. Go ahead with the CH modules. Not you don't have to invest. You can Google out. Okay, like how to learn all those things. Just go ahead with CS modules. Cover all those things by your research. If you want any help, let me know. And then proceed with the OSCP modules. Okay, so OSCP is very important if you want to be a teamer. I'm not telling that entire course. The content, the index that they are providing is important. Okay, so just go ahead with the OSCP modules. That is good enough for you. Parallelly, just research, just solve boxes, which is hack the box, try hack me, from where you can do a lot of researches as well. So this is very important from where you can get into red team. Just try to solve as much machine as you can. Right now, red teaming position opening is less in India, but in US everything is important. And India in next 4 year, this thing will also be required red team, right? So I hope I just given you a roadmap how to do. Okay, and just search out OSCP preparation by M Kumar. You might get on Google or just drop a message on my WhatsApp. I will send you. You say I didn't receive any call. Uh, David, actually, I don't know what's your name. Just drop your name in the chat box so that I can check out what is the status of your resume right now for web application pen testing. For web application pen testing, what you want? You want me to guide you how to become a web application pen tester? So, what are the tools? What do we do for the basic daily basic? Yeah, Sujit Singh Sihal, please clarify your question. Yeah, just one recommendation for you all. Just try to be as much updated as you can. Okay, there's a lot of website. The Hackers News is a website that I can recommend you. Actually, I also do a lot of research from here. So, Ledger's group is for targeting nuclear energy with the cookie plus malware. We have article section in our website as well. Okay, we are hacking a bit. Here you can see. Okay, so here's the update. Basically, what does we do? We do a research on daily basis. You can go in via daily threat analysis where we drop the cybersecurity updates in last 24 hours. So here you what you can see the headings. This is a reference from where you can read as well. So top malware reported, top vulnerability reported in last 24 hours. This is what can help you. Okay. So just do as much research as you can. I have a lot of references, I have a lot of documentations, articles, and a lot of things. Just try to connect with me. I can help you out. Or else I can create a community for you guys as well. For WebTR, something that I'm going to tell you is not something that most of the people is recommending. I recommend you to understand the languages which is being used on a web, right? Because there's a very basic concept. If you want to hack inside a house, if you want to get inside a house, if you want to rob a bank, okay, so you have to understand the architecture of bank, from where you get inside, where's the window, where's the gate, how many security people are there. So actually for web application pen testing, I recommend you to understand the languages at first. For example, in OWASP top 10 all the time, accesses comes, okay, where the DOM base reflected or stored accesses. So it's a JavaScript thing, okay, because JavaScript interact with the cookies. So JavaScript is something where we can play with the accesses payload, right? You all knows about the same. So basically, understand language. If you are familiar with the JavaScript, if you check out the source code, then you might get what kind of payload I can enter to get into this website, or to store something on the server and then get a pop-up whenever someone is visiting on your link. So this is very important. Try to understand languages at first. For HTML injection, try to understand HTML, because you have to sometimes dig into the source code from where you can see what is the pattern, how it was coded, right? So basic methodology is all about understand the coding languages which are being used on the website. Again, understand the network, because देखो, if we consider any pen testing, okay, if it will be a web API network application, then every time you're going to work on network, okay. Best behind the architecture which is working at backend is similar all the time, but something which is at the front side is different. Okay, all the time you are digging into IP, right? If it's a website, then most probably you may enter a host name, but parallelly it will be converted with the DNS and IP will be pinned out, right? So at the end, you are digging out the IP address for finding the vulnerability. You can check the services version. You can look for the CVs. Okay, you can look for the uh, parameters. You can fuzz the parameters. You can enter some sort of payloads in the parameters. So this is usually what does we do. So it's all about IP things. So just understand the basic networking concept in the starting. Understand the operating system, and then according to your interest, create a roadmap. Okay, for web, understand languages which is being used in the website. Okay, try to understand how the thing is working, how to intercept a website. You can use Bob suite, you can use OAS chat in the initial phase for understanding how you're getting the package, okay, packages and all those things. And I guess we've created a course for that as well, which is free. If it's not free, just message me, I can give you for free as well. Okay, how add payloads? Yeah, payloads you can add manually as well. And if you found any parameters via OAS JAP or buff suit, then you can enter the payload by using some sniper or some method which is added over there. Okay, so there is some automation process as well for firing up the payloads, right? So this is what you can do. Yeah. Any other query, any other question? Just let me know. There's a lot of website where you can practice your techniques as actually. SPHP is where you can practice as well. Okay. So this is a box which is a parameter where you can consider if you enter anything, you're getting a pop. You're getting something which is reflecting here, right? So it is called the queries that we're entering. So just try to enter some payload how they are reacting. For example, there is a script, right? Alert one, which is being used for the pop-up, and let's close this script. Right, so you get a pop-up which is one. So this is what we have entered the backend. Okay, there was a query that we've entered, which is being used for pop-up. Okay, so basically the thing is, if you understand JavaScript, then this will be beneficial for you, so that according to situation you can understand what exactly you have to enter, right? So that was the thing. Any other queries? If you have anything, just let me know. Accordingly we can bind up the session. Yeah, I guess no one is having any queries right now. So I guess I should bind up this session, right? Anyways, thank you. By the way, I just took a mic from my brother, so this is what I'm using right now. And I guess voice is clear. Just drop a message so that I can confirm as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining. You guys are asking a lot of questions, so that's really enjoyable moment for me. So just try to we connect on daily basis. I'll share you a lot of opportunities from where you can apply. Right. So thank you very much for joining this session. Have a great day. Check.